What's up, Squeegee Slingers? Thank you very much for tuning in. Much appreciated once again. So today we're going to be having a look at your solution in the Squeegee Skills playlist. So what are we talking about with the solution? Well, different people like to add different things into the bucket or on the washer. So we're going to have a look at what I personally like to do and the reasons why. So let's kick off this video all about that Squeegee solution. Welcome to Squeegee Skills episode 3. Today we're talking about solution. So this is literally just clean water in this bucket. There's nothing been added to it. It's just clean water. So we dunk that in there, take off the excess. Okay, so it's literally just water on there at the moment. And then we take our dish soap and pop a line, thin line on one side, thin line on the other, and that is it, ready to go. Now, why would I encourage that you use this method? Well, what this is going to do is provide a nice thick consistency on the glass, which is going to make using especially tools like the liquidator much easier to use. So with a solution that's runny, that you've added soap to the water, you will get the solution running down the glass and the squeegees will not perform always at 100%, especially precision squeegees like the liquidators. But after you've rubbed this into the glass, you'll see that the solution will start to thicken up. And you only have to do this on the first window. Once it's rubbed in, your applicator's ready to go on the rest of the windows. But as you can see, the solution is no longer running down the glass. Now, if I take a squeegee through that, you'll see that the line stays solid. This gives you complete control over your solution. It's nice and slippy, and there's no squeaking. See that? Not even a squeak. The reason being, it's a nice good quality rubber, soft rubber, and our solution is nice and thick with the soap on the applicator there. So that is lesson 3 for your solution. Don't add anything into the water. You don't need to. All you need is to use either Moerman Squeeze Deluxe or any kind of dish soap. So in America, quite often it's Dawn. Here in the UK, it's things like Fairy Liquid and Aldi's Magnum, things like that. Just a line of it on one side, a line of it on the other, and that'll do you for a good few windows before you need to then re-dunk, wash out your washer, and then reapply some soap. But what I normally do is I carry some soap on me in this pouch, and then I carry some water around here as well. So I've got water and soap on me as well, so I can afford to leave the bucket, you know, miles away if I want to, because I've got plenty of water and plenty of soap, so I can actually get an entire job done without needing to carry the bucket around with me. So there we have it, guys. That is your solution. That is the kind of solution that you want, that you'd be looking for to give you the greatest control, consistency and glide on the glass, guys. So hopefully you found that useful, and I'll see you in the following video.